And that push is happening since the Supreme Court struck down Roe versus Wade. Action News Now reporter Diego Moctezuma takes a look at SB345, a law that went into effect January 1st, but its constitutionality is still being debated by a federal appeals court.
The new law was created to shield healthcare providers and pharmacists from legal consequences if they provide abortion care or abortion prescriptions to patients who live in states where abortion is now illegal. But the new law only protects healthcare providers in California. A pharmacist at Kind Care in Chico says their job has not changed.
It's basically California just saying that we stand by our providers and that we're going to provide them with the legal protections that they need to continue to serve their patients and care for people.
In other words, under SB 345, people living in states that have criminalized abortion will be able to have medication shipped to them from a California pharmacy.
Beyond, our concerns around safety and things like that, we generally try to make the care as accessible as possible.
Doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other providers would be protected from illegal actions in other states. The law also protects gender-affirming care for transgender youth treatment.
We consult with patients and have our pharmacists talk to them, explain to them the medication, how it works, what they need to know about side effects and things like that.
The new law also states that bounty hunters or bail agents cannot apprehend people in California for providing or receiving abortion pills. I talked to pharmacists at 5 different pharmacies here in Chico. No one wanted to talk on camera, but one person who is against this law says there is a concern for women's health being compromised. Reporting in Chico, I'm Diego Moctezuma with Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
Now, that new law was ruled unconstitutional by a federal circuit court late last year, but it was allowed to go into effect by the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals while it considers the case.